Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I made a cute, quick little Valentine tree with the products mostly from the Dollar Tree, except for the yarn, but you can buy the yarn at the Dollar Tree as well. So if this is something that you'd like to try that might interest you or your children, please follow along now and I'll show you step by step how I made this cute little tree for Valentine's Day. So to make our little Valentine tree, I'm using a foam cone and it's 9.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And I got that at one of the dollar stores. So that's going to be our cone. And I'm using some leftover yarn that I have. It's loops and threads. It's called Royal Velvet, and it's just a real nice soft yarn. Along with that, I have got some little stickers some little beads for decoration and some little stickers. And I thought these reminded me of the little hearts with the little candied hearts with the wordings on them, the letters on them. So I thought we would use those for our embellishments on our little Valentine tree. So first of all, I'm going to put a little hot glue, which I did right there to get started. And I'm going to hot glue my first row all the way around by putting my hot glue on the bottom of my cone, but making sure that it will still stand up. So you don't want the yarn to go over the bottom of the cone. So I'm just going to go around and do this, and I'm just going to take my yarn and go all around my cone, all the way around, all the way up to the top. So that's what I'm working on first. So now that I've gone around, all around the one time, I just put a dollop of glue just above where I started at the first, and I'm just going to go up now, and I'm going to go around again for the second time, hot gluing where necessary. So I've got it all wound up right up to the very top, and now I'm just going to finish that off by cutting it, and I'll just hot glue that down to the very top. And then our cone is all wrapped up like so. So that's pretty cute. So now we're going to decorate it. So I'm going to take my little heart stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to stick them, and like this one says, hug me. So I'm just going to place them on my little tree here and there. This one says cutie pie. I might give it even though it is sticky, I think I might give it just a little dollop of glue. And I'm just going to place them all around my little tree. So I have a few of the little stickers on. Then I went ahead and I just put on the little beaded embellishment here. Just that little strip. It's all together in one strip. And I just went from the top to the bottom, kind of a little bit on an angle, but you can dress yours up however you like. Then I also have some of these little table scatters from the Dollar Tree, and I thought maybe I would put a couple of the pink ones here and there on here as well. And then I think I will also put a couple of pink ones just at the top for my little top part for my Valentine tree. So here we have our cute little Valentine's tree. And this is just something simple, something quick that you could do with your children, your grandchildren, or maybe the kids could do it on their own. And it doesn't cost very much to do this. All the supplies could be from the Dollar Tree. So if this is something that you'd like, please share with your friends, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and always remember to be kind. Bye now.